Hello, everybody. This is your co-host Nasi, and welcome to yet another episode. And hi to all my sugar babies, gold diggers, and Hyderabadis.
Hello everyone, I'm Anna. Welcome to our podcast.
Welcome, 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 bro. Women are such psychics.
I know.
Like their intuition, the feeling, the gut feeling is so strong that they just know stuff like this
Yeah,
even before you tell them. No, they can sense
instinct,
it.
bro.
I
Yeah.
mean, they literally can sense it. Like,
Right.
I have got many friends or people that I know, whatever they think, right? Especially when it comes to their partners, they are always right.
Right.
Women, I'm especially talking about
Yes.
women here, they are like super right. And if you did not guess already, today's topic is dating.
Dating.
Yeah, the second topic.
We both feel it all over our bodies, actually. No?
Ooh.
Don't you think?
Not really, I don't, but
Uh,
whatever, man.
okay.
So today's topic is obviously dating,
Yes.
and shout out to all the ladies who
Past the
take
stage of breakup.
no. Shout out to all the ladies who literally baby their man-child husbands or partners, who literally wipe their butts, wash their wash their underwears, wash their clean up after them. Shout out, you guys deserve a slap from me. I swear. Why?
Yeah, exactly. Why do you guys want to do all of that? I mean,
That
everyone are responsible for their own things.
yeah,
Be it a man or a
but
woman, right?
women are stupid that way.
I
We are
know.
emotional fools.
Emotional pull,
Yeah,
100%.
so which is why males take advantage of it for
Yeah,
real.
yeah, correct.
Tell me, bro.
So, okay, you ask me.
Okay, tell me, how does your dating life look like?
My dating life, I am currently looking out for a spouse.
Ooh.
Yeah, I will want to get married. What
Okay.
about you?
My dating life is kind of whack. You know, it's like when Alexis Rose from Schitt's Creek says, "I'm a little bit single, even when I'm not." You know, it's kind of that situation right now. Cause like these days, finding good valued or good quality males has become so hard.
I know, very hard.
Like it's almost you dig and dig through and you still won't find the right
Correct.
person. It's kind of like that, but I'm happy with wherever I am with respect to my dating life.
I need a partner, bro, for sure. But let's hope for the best.
You tell me, like, what are your red flags in a guy?
Red flags, definitely disrespect,
Mm-hmm.
manhandling,
Manhandling.
forcing.
For bro, are you mad?
All
You
this
are
comes along.
describing a literal. You are
Definitely.
describing a murderer or like
Yeah, we
a
need to.
violent person, basically, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. So why those are your those are obvious red flags. Tell me
Yeah,
some that are like disguised as green
checking
flags, but
phone, checking,
yeah,
yeah,
suspicious people,
suspicious,
right?
yeah,
Mm.
doubting, obviously.
Doubting and suspicion is the
हाँ
same.
जो भी है यार
Ha, okay.
क्या है यार Mad.
Okay.
And what about your red flags?
Bro, I have a list. Okay. Number one, smoking.
Oh,
Bro,
drinking as well.
drinking वो चलेगा.
मेरे को है
अरे you asked
प्रॉब्लम
me ना, let me tell.
मैं भूल गई तो पूछना था ना ये चीज मैं बोल रही हूँ ना ड्रिंकिंग एंड स्मोकिंग आर द वेरी बिग रेड फ्लैग फॉर मी
Okay.
अब बोल ले
Okay, my red flags number one is smoking. I feel males who smoke, they don't really care about anybody and they don't care about them. For Antendu Kannu, they don't even care about themselves. They know that particular thing is harmful and yet they do it. And a man and a male who isn't capable of controlling his own emotions and is taking the help of an external substance like smoking or whatever is a weak man in my opinion. I'm sure you might have your own reasons, debate me, whatever. But अगर वो अपनी खुद की केयर नहीं करेगा तो मेरी क्या खा के केयर करेगा.
करेक्ट है यार. नहीं,
So
थोड़े लोग ऐसे भी लड़के हैं कि बोलने वाले, यू नो व्हाट, मैं स्मोक क्यों कर रहा हूँ, इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ यू. No, they blame
what?
women. Yeah, I
Are
have
you mad?
experienced that.
Big
I
no no.
am so
Run away.
tense.
Run away from me.
You treat me so bad. So I'm going to get a smoke and all of that. I feel, dude, you are responsible for your own self. No one is responsible. You don't have any rights to blame anyone, right?
It's true also. Also, that is one, my red flag is that. Second thing, bro, if you are open to everyone, like a park, if you have no value system, and if you are just doing casual like an animal, what the fuck? Matlab, what a characterless person you are. Think about that. Like, I see, not me personally, but I have gone through a few of my friends' dating profiles and dating apps. Bro, 35 plus uncle buddhas, take a 35, 40 plus wale, with a receding balding head, with a receding hairline, they are looking for something casual, bro. तुम्हारी
I'm
एक तो
sure they.
भाई तुम्हारी एक तो तोंद है. ओके, तोंद है, तुम्हारे बाल झड़ रहे हैं, तुम्हारा स्पर्म काउंट लो हो रहा है, एंड यू स्टिल लुकिंग फॉर अ कैजुअल. व्हाट? That's what I'm saying, bro.
I'm
They
sure they
just
must be married and they're having some marital affairs or something
that
like that.
also. You know what? I recently posted in one of my reels also that
Mm.
each and every app has this so-called thing called a age restriction. You have community guidelines, you have that restriction, you have this restriction. What about marital status restriction on dating apps, bitch?
Yeah,
Why is there
exactly.
no restriction on that?
Yeah, right. That is
Yeah,
very bad. They need to restrict.
yeah.
People might get
Scammed.
scammed. Very big time scam, bro.
Hmm.
God.
That is my like red flag. और क्या
Hmm.
है?
बस यार मर जाएंगे लड़के.
लड़के no मतलब see bro, like in our papa's time or whatever, like they were brought up with a certain family के values, uh, a value system, fear of God, a sense of responsibility. At least Indian parents had this sense of responsibility towards their children, towards their family, towards their wife. Back in the day, I mean, I'm not speaking about everybody, but at least our family was
Yeah.
like that. So ఆ వాల్యూస్ అయితే ఇప్పుడైతే ఏం లేవు because of this so-called westernization. You've
Yeah.
got so much choice, bro. You have um you have the leverage to be anonymous
Mm.
via dating apps,
Right.
right? So you can be anonymous. You cannot you don't have to reveal your marital status or yourself completely um, to a woman you are dating on the app, right? So I feel yeah, because of the choice and because you have like a plethora, a platter of women at your disposal via dating apps or whatever. Sorry. Uh, it's so easy for males to cheat, I guess.
I know, and they move on way too quick. Not everyone, but most of them, 98%, bro. I
Yeah,
see they just, move on. I mean, it's good to move on, but then not
that
too
we can't
quick.
really do anything. We can't
Yeah,
say.
I mean, उन लोगों को
उनका
कैसे,
मर्जी है भाई.
I know उनके मर्जी है, but it just.
Also, see, love bombing,
Mm,
gaslighting.
yeah,
At this point, I don't think any woman should trust a male because, let's say they want something. Obviously, they want to get into your pants or whatever. They start off with love bombing you. You know, uh,
mm,
doing everything that you want. As per your love language. If it is like, say, giving gift, yeah, gift giving or words of affirmation or acts of service or all these things, right? They check every box, okay?
right.
And थोड़े दिन बाद when you get sort of used to them, being like this. They suddenly ghost you. They love bomb you
Damn,
and make
true,
you
true,
think
true.
that it is your fault.
Right. I have
Whack.
experienced this, bro.
Huh?
Yeah. Initially, they'll be like, you know what, Anna, you are so good. I'm so lucky to have you. And all of a sudden, out of nowhere, they just ghost me and leave. And then again,
मेरे साथ तो नहीं हुआ.
after few months, again they come up because I'm very kind, bro.
Don't be. No.
Huh,
Do you
yeah.
not know?
So listen to me. What happened? They just come up and they'll be like, you know, Anna, I'm really sorry for what I have done. They always kept me as an option, bro. And
And
you
you
took them
red.
back. No, no, no.
You took them?
No, never.
Okay.
And
I'm glad.
I call them as
Making me
a
proud.
red flag.
Yeah, red flags, big time. See, I'm not. See, everybody is a red flag. At like the name red flag.
Everyone have flaws, bro, but
Yeah.
these are like something different. The flaws that we have is different, no?
Yeah. I mean, see, okay, what I can say about at least us is that we are green flags, but with chote chote red
Chote
dots
dots.
in them. Yeah, that is. Uh, Tell me like some story or like an experience that you have had with respect to males.
I had I had a lot of experience with men. I mean, they just ghost me out of nowhere, and then they come up and they'll be like, "And you know what? I have done a mistake by
You're
not
telling the
treating you
same thing
well."
again and again. Give
हाँ
me like
यार,
a example.
एग्जाम्पल ही तो बोल रही, अच्छा बात करते करते
Uh,
गोस्ट कर देना, सडनली
hmm.
चले जाना, फिर आना, फिर याद आना, मतलब उनके कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से मेरे को नचवाते थे.
और तू नाचती थी.
और मैं नाचते because I was so emotional fool, bro. But not anymore. I was like that back then, not now.
Yeah.
And what about you?
Actually,
हाँ हाँ बोल, क्या बोल रहे थे? Actually you.
no, what was your question?
What about you?
Okay, my experiences, huh? I don't. No, wait. I have like this crazy story to tell you, okay? There was this person who I was talking to, okay? We were still in the talking stage. And all of a sudden, he stops texting me. We were texting, going back and forth, texting and all of that, for straight for a week or so. Okay, and after that week, the guy simply disappeared. I thought, okay, fine, he's ghosting me. I rarely get ghosted, first of all, but okay, this guy has ghosted me. Fine, so I moved on with my life. After like 3, 4 months again, the guy started texting me saying, "Hey, what's up, babe?" And I was like, bitch, who the fuck are you? Because I had already deleted his number, his socials, all of that from my account. I was like, अभी नहीं होता मैं ऐसे करके. And then he was like, babe, you do not remember me. I'm so and so person. I was like, oh, you're back. Where were you all this while? Then uh, he like gave me the most absurd story. You have to listen to this, okay?
Okay.
He was like, actually, during our talking stage, when we were talking, we actually made plans to go on a road trip to a different state. Okay. So, I think December 31st या January 1st को we were supposed to go. ठीक है. और December 27th को वो गायब हो गया था. तो मैंने सोचा ठीक है भाई, उसको नहीं जानना है, तो इसीलिए he might have just given me this nonsense behavior. So suddenly, like I said again, after like 4, 5 months, whatever, he hits me back. Then I was like, we were supposed to go on road trip. Why did you not call me or check up on me? In fact, during all these months, right, I also didn't message him. I also didn't call him or whatever because I do not double text, guys. No, that's never gonna happen. At least with me, at least not in the talking stage. You know, at least when I start caring about the person, then maybe that also very rarely. But yeah. So then he was like, "You also did not check up on me, no?" I said, "I thought you were just ghosting me. What is there to check up?" And he was like, no, babe. As you know, I was coming from Dubai, and I fainted.
Oh, he fainted.
I fainted. I fainted in Dubai airport. Okay, I was just listening to him. Okay, calmly, I was just listening. He was like, "No, babe, I just fainted in Dubai airport, and the doctors and the emergency ward, everybody came like to help me, and they took me, and I was on my deathbed." And I was like, then even like when you were hospitalized and when you were sort of recovering, why did you not call me? Because whatever, even on your deathbed, you're supposed to call me. Why did you not call me? तो मेरा वैसा था. So he was like, babe, I was in my deathbed. What do you expect me to do? And even my phone also was not there with me. Then I was like, what do you mean your phone was not there with you? Then it was like after I recovered, babe, phone was my mom took off my phone. I mean,
Who does that, man?
yeah,
Our parents never check our phones.
yeah. Even when we were 16 years old, कभी नहीं हुआ था यार ये phone मोन का drama. But anyway, that's what he told me. He was actually going through a divorce or whatever. First red flag, बंदा जो divorce किया.
यार ये डिवोर्स जो करते हैं ना बहुत फ्लेक्स करते हैं बेचारे.
Ew.
They don't like
And all these divorcees have only one story, that their wife was crazy or
yeah.
suspicious or she wanted money. And why? Because the Indian government, Indian law only supports women's rights in divorce.
Very bad.
हाँ, तो ये ड्रामा है इन लोगों का. I mean, and also these single guys also. My ex-girlfriend was crazy, you know. Bitch, what did you do to make her crazy? Introspect, fucker. Yeah,
Big red flag, bro.
Yeah, that happened, bro. That's something. He thought I was a. मेरे माथे पे क्या चू लिखा हुआ है कि मैं ये सब मानूंगी.
Exactly. अरे ब्रो तेरा एक सिचुएशन मेरे को याद आया यार.
क्या?
लाइक तू बहुत रो रही थी.
क्या?
Someone died. एक लड़का
He
था
told me
उसके.
that he died.
No.
What?
Why would he tell?
I don't know. Say what story? I don't remember this.
Why would he die, bro? उसका mother, she died
Okay.
and you were
Okay.
crying like anything, and then you got to know that no one were dead and all of that. I don't know how did you even get to know, bro.
No.
And you were literally weeping.
No, bro. See, I'm such a nice, loving person.
I know, but why did he lie? And
पता
why
नहीं.
okay, you cried because he lost his mother. Okay, that is understandable.
He was.
Then how did you get to know? Then she wore all of that white kurti and all of that to go to the funeral, you know. And I don't know how she got to know. She didn't even go there. You changed the dress immediately. That's
I
what
know. I
I
also
remember. But what was the? How did you get to know?
I also don't remember.
And why
This
did
I
he
remember.
fool you?
This I remember. कि that guy told his mom died, and I changed my clothes immediately to white kurti because I'm a nice girlfriend. And I didn't even go there because immediately I got to know that his mom was not dead.
How did
He
you
was
get
lying.
to
That
know?
I don't know. I don't know how.
I want to know.
I don't know how I got to know this. That's kind of whack.
I know.
Yeah.
Oh damn.
Yeah. Oh man. But ladies, I'm actually giving this amazing. You know what? Uh, the reason now men are like going on podcasts and like crying and ranting about women are gold diggers. They just want.
Yeah, because
This.
of them
Bitch, do you have
only.
gold?
Because of them only women became like that, bro.
Exactly my point.
Yeah.
See, it is established that all males cheat. It is established, okay? Especially this generation of males, they cheat, okay? They fucking cheat. Now, that is why women are like, no, we are not believing in true love or this illusion of true love anymore. So we'd rather marry or be with a rich guy who gives us everything. It's like saying I'd, I'd rather cry in a yacht in Italy than in a broke house or a hut. It's something like that. You'll check it out. Yeah, so it's like that. That is why women are, looking for rich males. But I would say, I think maybe focus on yourself first, build
Yeah,
yourself first, and then the rich guy will come to you. Yeah, big time.
do rich guys exist?
Yeah, they do. They do
I don't know,
actually.
bro. I never came across any
But
rich guy in my life.
not you, because you are broke yourself, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, there are rich guys. Why not?
No,
Also, bro, tell me, uh, pickup lines.
अरे
Okay, did
मेरे को कोई
what?
भी pick हाँ there was one person but I do not remember and I feel all these pickup lines and all are cringe.
Bro,
Literally cringe, bro.
I like
Did
pickup.
you hear it from anyone?
I mean, not a guy, like no guy has used a pickup line on me, but I do use pickup lines on my
She
girlfriends as banter, as jokes or whatever.
cringe guys.
Cringe कुछ
Seriously.
भी नहीं है,
बहुत
bro.
cringe है. I hate pickup lines. I
I'll say
hate
one pickup line. Wait. Sorry. I'll say I'll say one pickup line. Do you have a band-aid?
yes. बोल
Because I scraped my knee falling for you. Marry me
I didn't
already.
say no.
Marry me
I
already. I
didn't
don't
say
care. That's the pickup
no.
line. That's the
It's
pickup line.
so
Or
cringe, I swear. God,
yeah,
just
I
say
do use it with my girlfriends and all, and they seem to like it. So
I don't know.
whatever. But
They're
I have
also
never
cringe
been.
like you.
But मुझे कभी किसी ने पिकअप लाइन नहीं मारा.
क्या बोल क्या मार मैं बोलूँ एक
हाँ बोल.
नहीं यार छोड़
Say
मेरे को
ना,
नहीं
say
आ
ना,
रहा
say ना.
मेरे को नहीं
अरे say ना bro.
नो
Uh,
बस
okay.
फोन में ही रहे she'll always
No.
pick up the phone
I was just looking
I don't know
through.
why
No, bro. Like I was just looking through some. Uh, I was just looking through our order. Okay, जो अभी आने वाला है.
I'm
We've ordered
waiting
some
I'm
lunch,
really
bro. We're very
hungry
hungry. Dying. Death is
no she
calling.
already ate in the morning I
Bro, I'm in the morning. This is afternoon. I'm already very hungry. But anyway, if you had to like be on a dating app or whatever, which one would you choose?
I would never choose any dating apps honestly वो लोग बस ऐसे ही टाइम पास के लिए आते हैं बिल्ले लोग
Bro, you know what? I just learned a fun fact about dating apps via, like, I was just reading through an article or whatever. उसमें क्या they are, that if a guy and a girl match on the dating app, right? And if the girl is continuously messaging him, if both of them are messaging each other, what happens is the motherfucking dating app will again show guys मेल्स को और लड़कियां दिखाते रहेगा और लड़की को नहीं दिखाएगा मैचेस नहीं because the apps are built like that.
okay
They don't want one user to go away from the app.
that is so
Yeah, that is
bad
what I'm saying. They don't want one user to go away from the app, and hence it keeps on showing more people to men, and it will stop showing things to women. It seems that's whack, right?
I know. And I also see this matrimony sites have become dating app. Actually, I have experienced that. Honestly, I've experienced. I came across
I
a
know, I
person
know.
who is from Australia. Okay,
Huh.
but then his accent is completely like
So
Nigerian.
what?
Okay,
So
wait.
what? That's okay.
No, it's not okay. Then when we were talking, I just did video call to him because I was having a doubt, and he was not answering my call, but
Okay.
he was answering my voice call.
Oh,
That,
and that's
that
what,
is
bro,
suspicious,
like
bro.
everything these days, na, even Instagram, even
Every
LinkedIn. LinkedIn
link,
also is a dating app. What,
सब
bro,
कुछ हो गया यार किसी का भरोसा ही
LinkedIn
नहीं
भी
है.
है, Instagram भी है, Reddit also is there. You have other apps also, Telegram, all these,
Telegram, it's
WhatsApp.
okay. I don't know, bro. I don't use Telegram much, but
Yeah, I think all these apps have now become like dating apps. I'll tell you. See, you have Bumble, Hinge, Isle, Tinder.
what is Hinge, bro?
Hinge is also Hum Tum,
ये
Dil
हम तुम
Mil.
क्या है दिल मिल क्या है
and Raya.
What is Raya?
Okay, so
I have never heard of Raya though.
okay, so Hum Tum or Dil Mil, these two are like overseas apps for desis. Like say US वाले NRIs के लिए है basically Hum Tum or Dil Mil, I think. And Raya is like a celebrity app, bro. Like if you have a blue tick or whatever, then you get into Raya. You can't just create an account and get into Raya. Apparently, you're supposed to have referrals from your famous friends.
अब मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन है,
हाँ
अब इंस्टाग्राम में लोग खरीदे ना रहे वो ब्लू टिक आने के लिए,
हाँ हाँ हाँ
फिर उन लोगों का
69
क्या है?
69 रुपीज वन के
हाँ
खरीदना
यार,
हाँ
छोड़ लो।
हाँ राया मे बी इन द फ्यूचर ऐसा होएगा लेकिन अभी तो फिलहाल इट इज ओनली एक्सक्लूसिव टू सेलिब्रिटीज भाई दिस इज नॉट फेयर बट या इट
बट
इज
तू
व्हाट
क्या
इट
ही
इज
करेगी
बहुत
यार,
क्लासेस्ट हो गया
सेलिब्रिटी।
डेटिंग एप्स भी ब्रो
आई नो ब्रो।
या
और बता तेरा वर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस जो तू फेस करे लाइफ में।
और यार see I have not faced worse experiences people that I have been with have been nice people only but like the mentals a little bit yeah and sometimes even I was also like that so no biggie but yeah I would just suggest like my sisters who are watching the pod you also कि भाई सबको ट्रस्ट मत तू है रहने दे कुछ भी होने
नहीं,
दे
मेरे को मैं जानना
I would
चाहती
say
हूँ।
don't trust males. Just work on yourself, build yourself better, and if you are dating, date for money,
No,
and that's it.
I disagree.
Well, I guess
Don't
we come to the end of the episode then.
Hey, wait,
We
no,
just
no,
agree to
no,
disagree,
never,
bro.
never
We
do
just
that. If you find true love, there are
you are
people who are
so
very good
stupid.
also. It's not that.
Yeah, where do you find such people? They are
I know भाई,
तेरे को मिला अभी तक तू इतनी अच्छी है तेरे को मिला है
नहीं मिले, मिलेंगे शायद, क्या मालूम। Hope for the best, but do
Yeah,
not give
you
up.
please hope for the best until you're 80. With that
No,
being
I'll
said,
prove you. I'll prove
dude,
you.
until now,
Prove you.
all the people that you have dated were disgusting idiots. Like I hated all of them.
Even I hate it. Your exes.
My ex, yeah, that is okay. I'm
They are
saying
so
y'all were like,
stupid, cringe, dirty.
मतलब जॉब भी नहीं है कुछ लोगों का. It's just, why did you date them, bro?
I don't know, bro. पता नहीं क्या ये था,
प्यार.
but I have learned a lot. Honestly, I have learned a
Yeah.
lot. I have built myself. I have become wise. I was very toxic back then. Okay.
No, you were not toxic. You were made to be like that. First of all, okay.
Okay.
I know the truth.
Right,
मुझे
right.
पता है वो truth क्या है.
Huh, yeah, but I have learned now. I'm not like that anymore. I
Yeah.
started working on myself, and that's it. Be
Okay.
happy, love yourself.
Yeah, love yourself only.
Yeah. मिलेगा तो मिलेगा, नहीं मिलेगा तो नहीं मिलेगा यार.
Bro, but one thing, parents का ख्याल रखो.
Yeah, that is most
Just take
important.
care of your
See,
mom
don't
and dad.
just don't leave the family and go get married just
Yeah.
because your parents are not accepting. Please, ऐसा मत करो, because it is not right to do that at all.
Yeah.
मैं बहुत अच्छे ज्ञानी हूँ.
So, guys, I think that's pretty much
That's
it
it.
for today, right? So if you really liked this video and if you want more of it, please don't forget to
Like, comment, subscribe, and please hit the bell
share.
icon.
Yeah, and also if you are coming through Instagram or whatever, please don't forget to also subscribe us on YouTube. And we drop episodes every week like this with a new topic, with new discussions, with new fights and
New
sisterly fights and stuff.
Yeah.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye, sugar babies, gold diggers, and hydro baddies.
Bye. Peace out.